I'm back with another video, and if you want to see what I'm doing today, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright, squad, today I'm going to be interviewing somebody, and the person that I'm going to be interviewing, y'all probably know if y'all been following me for a while, so I'm going to go ahead. It's going to be a over the phone interview. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to FaceTime this person, and we about to see what she got going on, y'all. We about to see what she doing. All right.
Hello?
Is she going to answer? What's up? What's going on?
What's
What?
up?
I can't even see you. What's going on? The lights out. The lights out in California. Something. What's going on?
Can you see me?
No. It says poor connection. The video will resume automatically. What's going on out there? You ain't pay your internet bill or something? What's going on?
You there?
I'm here, but I don't see you. Y'all can see
You
me.
don't see me?
Y'all can see me. Nope. It says poor connection. The video will resume automatically when the connection improves.
I see you perfect.
I can't see you. What's going on?
Let me see.
Now, I don't know if how this interview gonna go because it's having a poor connection.
Let me see. Call back and let's see if we can reconnect, I guess.
All right. Bye.
Okay, bye.
All right. I'm gonna have to call her right back, y'all. Y'all give me just a second. Let me go ahead. Try calling her again. All right. We calling her again. Let's see what happens this time.
You there?
What's up?
What's up? What's up?
Nothing much. What you got going on? Look, I'm trying to show you on the. Can y'all see her?
To do a setup of a job.
Can y'all see it
What
on
you
here?
got going on?
I was trying to see you if you weren't too busy. We can go and do this interview, and like a tour of your shop or something. If you know if you got time. I know you're a busy woman. Let me see. I'm trying to get to where you can see. My setup ain't that good, but hopefully they see. Y'all see her on there? I hope y'all see her on there. Yeah. So what's the deal? We can do it.
Well, here's the thing. You know, if you would just come here, we could do the tour. Quit playing and just come here.
But you in California. I'm way up in Louisiana. It ain't like I can drive over there and be there in 2
But that
minutes.
ain't nothing. All this time, you could have just got on something and got here. So come on. Get here. Let's do this.
All right. Let me check. I ain't gonna be able to do it. I can't come to California right now, but man, y'all see. She's doing crazy talk. She know.
Quit playing. Come on, get here. I'm looking at my watch. You could have been here.
All right, y'all. I'm back. So, if y'all know where I'm at right now, and y'all know this person behind me.
What's up, Prince Squad? What's up, Prince Squad?
So we finally got to meet. All right, so from what I'm hearing, you got 2 shops, right?
I got 2 shops.
All right, you got an automatic shop and you got a manual shop?
Yes.
Is that what it's called? Yeah, all right, so you want to give us a little tour of your shop?
Of my little shop.
Okay.
So this is my Vastex 2000 HD 6/6. This is a smaller dryer that I just purchased because I put the bigger dryer on the manual side, and it's also from Vastex. You probably could tell I love Vastex as well. This is my drying cabinet. It holds about 12 screens. It's the Dry Crab by Vastex. It's phenomenal. If you don't have one of these in your shop, you need to get one. It makes life a lot simpler. These green things you're sitting up here, these are the double handle squeegee that Ryanette puts out. You might have saw I sent some to try out. These squeegees are just awesome. They give you the printing ability to print like it's an automatic. I really like these. I don't even use the traditional squeegees anymore if I don't have to. I mostly use these right here. And this right here is my exposure unit. It's by Ranar, and I've had this for about, I don't know, 5 years. I've never had any problems with it. I can cut it on for you. And you can set your time as to what you're gonna do on this. It holds automatic screens. When I bought it, I didn't even know that it would come in handy, that I bought a large one to handle automatic screens. But this is a great exposure unit. I really like it. Never had any problems with it. Although I might upgrade to a LED, but I'm not sure yet. And over here, this is my messy ink shelf. All my ink, emulsion, chemicals, discharge, all that stuff is right there. Supplies and stuff. My dip tank from CCI. My washout booth from CCI with backlit. It's a large washout booth. I would expect you to check this out. If you don't have a big washout booth, get one. If you can get stainless steel, get stainless steel. It's an awesome washout booth. If you don't have this is the S Green by Ryanette. It's a filtration system. In California, you have to be careful about what you put down the drain. This thing right here is some of the best money you'll ever spend. I highly recommend it. I love this thing. By the time all of this stuff is filtered through, it's basically clean water going into the system. So we have no worries there. I love it. I've had this, I think, maybe a year. That's my dip tank over there. That's a screen printer's best friend. Best friend right there that makes washing your screens out like butter. You dip them in there. When you hit them with the water, it comes off. A lot less work doing it with a dip tank. And then over here is my spot remover station. So if you get ink or little pinhole you might have not seen, this thing right here will take care of whatever you need. And this right here is a registration system that Vastex put out, and it's always good to have something like this, and it's by Vastex as well. This is the original bagware screen printing right here. And then over here, this is my red flash. It's an auto flash that swings automatically. You step on the pedal and it swings over for the time that you set, and when you're done, this thing moves out of the way all by itself. This is a great flash cure. If you don't have a flash cure and you're looking for new equipment, check out Vastex. And this right here is a screen rack that has a bunch of screens in it that have emulsion already on them that's dry. So this is where I store screens, in this right here. And then this right here is just where I have a refrigerator, my coffee pot, and stuff like that. So that's what's in this side of my shop.
All right, so this shop right here is a full service shop, got everything. You can actually start out with a little bit less than this, because this is like big baller status right here. This big baller status, but you gonna take us over to the other side?
We can go to the other side.
All right.
Okay, so here is the Rock U that I won at ISS Long Beach in January of this year, 2020. And it is a 8-station, 6-color automatic press. It's awesome, awesome, awesome. This thing is a game changer, because though we can print on that side as well, we do a lot of printing. That's why these pallets got us lint on them. We just got through doing a bunch of hoodies. So this thing right here, it is truly a game changer. If you're thinking of going with an automatic press, I encourage you to check out Rock. And they have a new line called the Rock Fit. If this fits, I know the Rock fits. I believe we can fit that in here as well. So this is my Rock U. This is a beast. This is my Vastex Dryer. This is the Econo 2 Red, I believe. And this is an awesome dryer. It does everything from water-based This thing is extremely efficient. I never have to worry if anything is cured or uncured. It's a great dryer, and I encourage you to check out Vastex as well. And then over here is the flash cure that goes with this auto. And I believe it's a halogen flash cure. This flash cure actually talks to this press. So if you're doing like polyester or something like that, and it's not going fast enough or it's getting too hot, it will either speed the press up or slow the press down. It's an awesome, awesome flash cure. This is the $5,000 air compressor that I had to get to go with this press right here. So this is what puts the air into the press and causes it to move and go up and down. And this is what's called a chiller, which cools the air that the compressor takes in so it doesn't turn to condensation and put water in the lines, which would not be good. And then these blue pipes you see are what takes the air through those pipes and into the press. So they run from here into the chiller, up there, and then into the press. And I put all that in myself, by the way. I did that. And so this is my automatic side of my shop. So here it is in all its glory. The Rock U. Yes, indeed. It's a beast. I love you. This is how I hung the squeegees and the flood bars for the rock press, so that they're out of the way. And you know, I use the pegboard, so I'm going to add some more, and because I got more squeegees down there. And then it enables me to like put stuff up and keep it out of the way so it's not all over the place. And then I don't know if you noticed, but this press also has lasers built into it. It's just a phenomenal piece of equipment. I'm really, really, really grateful to have won this press, and we're looking forward to moving up to the Rock next after this press.